Are you tired of short, inconsistent AI videos that limit your creativity? With Google Veo 3, everything changes. Introducing Scene Builder, the powerful new tool that lets you create longer, cinematic videos with ease. Whether you want 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 10 minutes of seamless storytelling, Veo 3 gives you full control. And the best part, you get 100% consistent characters from the beginning of your video to the end. No random faces, just clean, stable, professional results every single time. So if you're a content creator, filmmaker, marketer, or business owner, this is your moment. With Google Veo 3, your ideas no longer have limits. Create better, create faster, and create smarter.
Do you know that Google Veo 3 Scene Builders allows you to generate a video of up to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or even 10 minutes, and even up to 20 minutes? And a lot of people do not know about this. And one good thing about this is the fact that it will give you 100% consistent character. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and teach you how to use Google Veo 3.1 Scene Builder. All you need to do is to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, you just have to head over to your flow. Okay, so we are going to be achieving this result using our flow. Okay, and search for VEO3, and then this particular website, Google DeepMind, go ahead and click it, and then try inflow. Okay, create with flow, click create with flow. So now we are here because we want to generate a longer video using the new Google Veo 3.1 feature, which is Scene Builder, right? So if you look very well, you are going to see Scene Builder, but before you start building the scene, you need to first create a particular video, okay, and then you start building this scene. Okay, so now I'm going to paste my prompt to actually create the video, and then I'll start building the scene. All right, so for you to generate the first video, you need to go ahead and paste your prompt. But before that, let's quickly make some adjustment. Okay, let me just change my aspect ratio to landscape because I'm generating for YouTube purpose. So I'll change it to landscape, and then as you can see, I'm using Google Veo 3.1 fast, and also my output per prompt is 1, meaning I'm going to be getting 1 video per prompt. All right, so and I'm using the text to video model. Okay, so all you need to do now is to go ahead and paste your prompt and then hit generate. Now let's watch and see the magic from Google Veo 3.1. All right, so our video has been generated, as you can see. So this is what I want, and I got it right. So now let's go ahead and play the video and see the first scene, and then we'll now start building on this particular scene. All right, let me play it for you so that you see.
Are you tired of short, inconsistent AI videos that limit your creativity? With Google Veo 3, everything changes.
Okay, so the video has been generated. You see how the video look like. It looked very, very okay, right? So now we want to prolong this video. Okay, we want something longer than this. Okay, we want to build on this particular scene using the same guy. Okay, I don't want anything to change. I want to use the same guy on this particular video to make other video. Okay, to prolong it. And for you to do that, if you look very well, you are going to see this add to scene. Okay, click this add to scene, and then you are going to see scene builder. Go ahead and click scene builder. All right, so if you click the scene builder, it's going to bring you here. Okay, as you can see. So if you look very well, you're going to see the one video, okay, that we want to start building on, right? So look at it, and if you look very well, you're going to see this plus icon. Click it. So if you click it, you are going to see jump to, and also extend. But for the purpose of this video, we want to extend, right? This jump to is when you want to jump to a particular scene, okay? But for this, we want to extend, okay? And for you to do that, all you need to do is to go ahead and click this extend, okay? And then as you can see, okay, so now if you click the extend, they'll actually, if you look very well, you're going to see what should happen next, okay? What this man should do next. That is what they are trying to tell you, okay? And if you look, this happen and then extend short, okay? And then all you need to do is to go ahead and paste the prompt of what you want to see next, okay, which I'm going to paste a prompt that describe this guy. Make sure that any prompt that you are pasting describe this guy again, all right, or paste the same prompt but with different dialogue. All right, so that is what I'm going to do. So I'll just have to go ahead and paste my prompt and then hit generate. All right, so our second scene has been generated. Okay, as you can see, Look at it, okay? And if you look very well, I'm going to see 15 seconds. All right. So now let's play so that you see what is going to happen. Let me play it for you so that you see.
Introducing Scene Builder, the powerful new tool that lets you
Okay.
create longer.
Okay, so now let me play everything together on the timeline so that you see what is going to happen. Come here to play everything. Now, if you notice very well, we now have 16 seconds, right? Remember, Google Veo 3 is just a second, but scene putting the scene together, building the scene, we now have 16 seconds. All right. So now see what. Let me play everything so that you see.
Are you tired of short, inconsistent AI videos that limit your creativity? With Google Veo 3, everything changes. Introducing Scene Builder, the powerful new tool that lets you create longer cinematic videos with ease. Are you tired of
Okay, you see that now we now have 16 seconds. Same guy, you will not even notice the difference. Okay, you are not going to notice the difference. Look at it.
build
Same person, you see, but same person, you see, but
introducing Scene Builder, the
same guy, same place, same voice. So you hardly notice the difference. Okay, and this is the power of this scene builder. Okay, it's a new tool that a lot of people do not know about. Okay, okay, so to continue this scene, we need to paste another prompt. Okay, another prompt, almost same prompt that describe this guy again. All right, and for you to do that, you just have to make sure to select this particular, highlight this particular scene. If you highlight this one, the video is going to be at the middle. Okay, anyone that is going to generate is going to be at the middle, so you just need to highlight this one to extend it, and then click the plus icon, extend, and then go ahead and paste the prompt and then hit generate. Okay, you see the way we are prolonging this particular scene. Remember, Google Veo 3 is just a second. The next scene now is going to give us 24 seconds. All right, and that's how we are going to keep going until we reach like 10 minutes or anyhow, as long as we have AI credit. So now let's watch and see how this one is going to be. Okay, so if you look very well, our third scene has been built. Okay, and as you can see, the same person, right? So now let's go ahead and play this one and see if we are going to get a good result. Okay, you see now we now have, go ahead and click this place. If you look very well, we now have 24 seconds, right? So now let's go ahead and play everything and see what we are going to get.
Are you tired of short, inconsistent AI videos that limit your creativity? With Google Veo 3, everything changes. Introducing Scene Builder, the powerful new tool that lets you create longer cinematic videos with ease. Whether you want 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 10 minutes of seamless storytelling, Veo 3 gives you full control.
Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. You see, we now have 24 seconds, and this is what we have been looking for. Okay, and you can actually go ahead straight up and download this. If you look very well, you are going to see this download icon. Okay, if you click this download icon, it's going to be export. Okay, and then you download it. This is what we have been looking for. Like this, I can continue. Okay, I'm going to continue the video. So now I'm going to continue. Yes, I'm going to continue this. And for me to do that, I'm going to click this plus icon again and then extend it again. All right, go ahead and paste your prompt and then hit generate. All right, now let's watch and see the magic. Okay, guys, so our first scene has been built. Okay, so now we are going to build the fifth one again. Like this is how you can just continue building and building and building. Input your prompt, build it until you get what you actually want. All right, so now we have built 7 scene. Okay, now you see that, and if I want to continue, I can just go ahead, click this plus icon, extend, and then I paste the prompt, and then I'm going to continue building this. All right, but I'm going to stop here because of my AI credit. And now let me show you the final result, and you are going to see how we are able to build a longer video, 100% consistent character, 100% consistent voiceover, and then using Google VAO3, okay, in minutes. Okay, so now let me show you how the final result look like. All right, so now click here.
AI videos that limit your creativity. Are you tired of short, inconsistent AI videos that limit your creativity? With Google Veo 3, everything changes. Introducing Scene Builder, the powerful new tool that lets you create longer cinematic videos with ease. Whether you want 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 10 minutes of seamless storytelling, Veo 3 gives you full control. And the best part, you get 100% consistent characters from the beginning of your video to the end. No random faces, just clean, stable, professional results every single time. So if you're a content creator, filmmaker, marketer, or business owner, This is your moment. With Google Veo 3, your ideas no longer have limits. Create better, create faster, and create smarter.
Guy, this is cool. This is nice. Wow, wow, wow. Guy, this is cool. This is nice. This is what we have been looking for. Almost everybody. This is what we have been looking for. The same guy from the beginning to the very end and using the same voice. Okay. Now look at it. Look at everything like seven scene. Okay, we built seven scene and then using the same guy. Isn't this Thompson? If I want to continue, I can go ahead and continue, of course, by clicking this plus icon, add more scene, and then like that, as long as I have a AI credit. All right. And like I said, if you want this Google Gemini Pro plan, then I highly recommend you to check the description of this video, and you are going to locate my WhatsApp handle. Reach out to me on WhatsApp or check a particular link where you can go ahead and purchase it directly, and you'll be redirected to me. All right. And as you can see, I still have 240 AI credit. Remember, I started with 500 AI credit, and each video costs you 20 AI credit. Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. All right, so to download all this thing, okay, to download everything and then make it one video, you just have to go ahead and click this drop down arrow. Like I say, you are going to see this drop down arrow. You see download, go ahead and click it. Okay, and then you see by exporting. Okay, when it is exported, then you are going to see download behind it. You go ahead and click the download, and then it will be downloaded into your computer. All right. Okay, so as you can see, so video exported. So the next thing to do now, after it has been exported, you just have to go ahead and click download, and then the video will be downloaded into your computer successfully. Okay, so this is basically how to use Google Veo3 Sim Builder. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And Big John up as per your friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.